Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video using the Honda My Generator app. In this video, you'll learn about the Honda My Generator app and some of its features for the non-electric start equipped models such as the EU 2200i. Due to the number of different smartphones available and the various different pairing procedures, this video will only focus on the functions of the app and not the actual pairing process. It's recommended to allow notifications to be turned on for the Honda My Generator app to function correctly. Note that the main switch must be in the on position and the engine running for Bluetooth communication between the generator and the phone. Follow all generator safety practices while doing so. Before we show you how the app works, let's go over the menus. Home, Support, Maintenance, and Settings. Home is the dashboard of the app where the live usage data is displayed. This screen is the default screen when the app is turned on. On the home menu, the volt-amps gauge displays the live output from the generator. While similar to watts, volt-amps is a measure of what the generator is producing versus being consumed by a device. Also on the home menu are the Eco or Auto Throttle, Oil Life, Engine Hours, and Running Indicator. Although the generator can be stopped through the My Generator app, the generator will still need to be started using the recoil starter. To stop the generator, press and hold the power button until the screen turns red. The generator will stop. Turn the key switch to the off position if you don't intend to use the Bluetooth function. The Honda My Generator app also includes a support function where you can set non-use reminders, find owner's manuals, locate an authorized Honda Power Equipment dealer, watch product support videos, learn about safety, generator usage, and an FAQs section. The Honda My Generator app includes a maintenance reminder system that reminds you when specific maintenance items are needed based on the hours of operation. The maintenance items include, but are not limited to, engine oil change, air cleaner inspection and replacement, spark plug replacement, and more. Be sure to have alerts turned on to never miss a maintenance alert. Each of the maintenance items can be reset once performed, which then restarts the counter. In the settings screen, everything from changing the name of the generator to adding passwords can be done, and some of the features listed are not applicable to certain models. When finished with the Honda My Generator app, it's recommended to turn the main switch to the off position. Due to software updates and changes to the Honda My Generator app, it may be necessary to verify that you have the newest software version, which is available through either the App Store or Google Play.